Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's vlog, I'm going to share with you another super yummy chicken marinade recipe. You wanna know about it? Join me on making this recipe, so keep on watching. So guys, first thing we're gonna do is to clean the chicken. Any chicken cuts will do on this recipe, depends on your preference. So on this chicken marinade recipe of mine, we need only few and simple ingredients. So here's the simple ingredients we need. A chopped parsley, crushed garlic, a juice of a lemon, crushed onion, cocoa milk, and for our spices, I have here ground black pepper, ground cumin, coriander powder, barbecue mixed spice, and a salt. And of course, our main ingredients, the chicken. All the exact measurement of our ingredients are listed in the description box. So guys, let's start by cutting or scoring the chicken. This is very important in marination so that all the flavors will get in the chicken. Next is to combine and mix all our ingredients. Just put in all the ingredients into the bowl. Just give it a mix to spread all the ingredients evenly. Now, add all the spices that will give this recipe the most flavors. I also like mixing it using my hand just to make sure that the chicken will absorb all the flavors and the ingredients will spread evenly well. We're done! Super quick and easy, guys! So here's my chicken marinade recipe in coconut milk. I hope you will give my recipe a try. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, comment down below, click the notification bell so that you're always notified every time I upload. And don't forget to subscribe! Life is beautiful, guys! Keep smiling! Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!